Material required for the mini lathe machine is a 12-volt motor, 12-volt battery or adapter, some screws and iron nails and washer also, some tools, a metal sheet, a wooden board, sandpaper, Fevikwik, some wooden pieces like this, and a wooden plank with two holes in it like this, with a piece of ball bearing over it, with iron nail which can rotate freely like this, and a switch. Firstly, take a square piece of hardboard and make a lines. Make the diagonals of the square. Intersect at the middle. Now mark 2 points here, 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 and here, like this. Now put the screws on that marks like this and make a hole for the motor like this. Now place the motor on the board like this with the help of a metal sheet. Now take this piece of wooden plank of holes and we have to put it over the board like this and make the holes like that. Now put the screws with the washers. Like this. Now we can see that we can get the up down motion and we stop that where we want to stop. Like this. You can also see that it will go left right also. This type of movement you also get. So to stop that movement, we can use the metal wires, these type of metal wires, and place it on the sides like this, so it will only go straight. See, smoothly. Now almost our lathe machine is complete. Now we have to make a stand for the screwdrivers or the cutter and we have to put it on this place. Now our stand are fixed like this. Now you can see I have applied the switch also, on off, and by this our lathe machine is complete. Now guys, it's a time to test it. So see, I have applied a wood over it and now start it like this. Now friend, use sandpaper to make the surface smooth. See guys, we can use it as a handle. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel Homemade Bots.